You may have seen a few people test Flex Seal on a bucket, but you've never seen anything like mine. That's a lot of damage. How about a little more? Now that's a lot of damage. Let's see if it's going to leak. Yep, it leaks. Woo, that was a lot of fun. All right, let's seal it with Flex Seal. All you need to do is just spray a nice even coating. Spray around and you're going to see that as you spray, it's going to fill in all the cracks and holes. You don't want to put on too much at one time. You want to put a nice even layer, let it set up. We're going to come back to this and we're going to continue to fill every crack and every hole. And as we do layer after layer, it's going to fill all the gaps, all the holes. Well, we let it dry. It's time to put on another coat. You're going to see that each time that we do it, the Flex Seal will cover each crack and each hole more and more. You just need to do multiple layers. Each time you do a coat, let it dry. Once it's dry, hit it again. And as you do it, it'll close up that hole over and over again. Just give it time, have patience. If you test it and there's still a little leak, you may need to add a few more coats. Now you can see there's still some big gaps there, but that's okay. Flex Seal is going to fill them all. Wow, we had to repair a lot of damage. Let's take a look. Well, this is where the knife went through, right here. And this, well, this is where the chainsaw went through. We'll look inside. The entire bucket was coated using only Flex Seal. You just want to make sure that you fill all the cracks and holes and let it dry. If you do it properly, it gets great results. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, there's absolutely no leaks. It's completely dry. Now that's amazing. Cameraman, you checking this out? Come down here, look at this. This is awesome. You know, Flex Seal is an amazing product. If you fill all the cracks and holes and you let it dry completely, Flex Seal works. Your favorite Flex Seal products are now giant size. Imagine everything you could do with the Flex Seal family of products. Available at these fine retailers.